a lot more rotten on the inside, as most vehicles are. Alright guys, in this episode I'm going to make a start on the rust repairs on the truck. Usually if I was buying a project like this, I would hold out for one with a better body. Since this was such a random purchase, I really just went in head first, and the carb has more rust than I'd usually want on a project like this. I don't necessarily mind repairing rust, it just takes so much time, and I'd rather be working on other things on a project like this. And hopefully this video will illustrate it to people looking to buy, projects like this. Maybe not full-size expedition trucks, but maybe van lifers, or even just classic cars, or even just any car restoration. Hopefully it'll give you a bit of an indication how a seemingly small piece of rust like what's around my doors can turn into a piece of work that can take a full day, if not, well, it's actually more than one day. It's took a day just to repair the rust. That's before all of the body work that's going to need to be done, such as light filler work and sanding and prepping, and then the priming and all of that before paint. Now, this project will be getting paint anyhow, but if you just buy your project and you see a little patch of rust on the wheel arch, you might not think much of it, but it really can destroy a full project. Hopefully you'll learn something in this one and you'll enjoy the video. So let's get to the unit and start cutting into my truck. So the first job, I'm going to remove these steps here. The next job I'll have a look at is cutting out this section here. Once this section's out, I'll fabricate a new plate and weld that in. So let's get into it. So, as you can see, the return flange is now in, roughly clamped in place. All the metal's been cleaned back around the repair, and I've also cleaned up the inside. What I'll do is I'll go along this inside edge, weld in the return flange, weld up where I've had to do some slits to form the curve here, grind all that back. You'll notice that I haven't put this seam in yet. That's because the plate goes down behind, so I'll do that once these clamps are removed. I've got the repair panel made up. Can't put it in at the moment, but that'll go in, but it'll flush against this cut edge here. And what I'll do is I'll go around with my hole punch in holes all around the edge here so I can plug weld it to the seam, and that'll be it done. So let's get on to some welding. So we're back in the house again. That's pretty much all the work I've done this week. It's been a pretty busy week, but I've managed to get one door finished, or at least the metal work done on one side. I'll be heading to the unit tomorrow to do the driver's side, but I won't film that. There's no point showing you the same thing again. I'll then move on to the turret, or maybe even the floor. The floor I'm still debating, because I'm thinking about getting the full underside of the carb media blasted, and I may as well wait till that's done to see if anything else shows up when the underseal's been removed. And that's about it really. I hope you enjoyed it. I have been paying attention to the comments, and a few of the guys have asked if I was on Facebook. I wasn't, but now I am. So I've joined up and made a few pages. I'll put the links in the description. If you can go give them a follow, that'll be great. If not, you'll catch me on here or on Instagram. Yeah, as ever, thanks for the support. Please like, comment and subscribe. Share the video around, it's all really helpful. And I will catch you in the next one. Thanks.